Welcome to your Wednesday weather forecast. On Wednesday morning, foggy conditions expected over the southwestern parts of the country as well as in KwaZulu-Natal. Then we have the next two cold fronts approaching the southwestern Cape with isolated showers possible mainly on Wednesday evening over the southwestern parts of the country ahead of those cold fronts, but mostly sunny and dry conditions over the central and northeastern areas where we are expecting a good PV harvest, especially over the northeastern parts of the country, but a poor PV harvest here over the southwest where we are expecting cloudy conditions on Wednesday. Northwesterly winds blowing around the city of Cape Town ahead of those two cold fronts, picking up later over the western and central parts of the country. Then into Wednesday evening, we are expecting northeasterly winds to blow along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal as well as the coast of the Eastern Cape, and northwesterly winds now blowing fresh to strong around the city of Cape Town. Foggy conditions at first in the Western Cape, especially over the western coast and the interior. Later, northwestern winds picking up and isolated showers possible along the southwestern coast and the adjacent interior, but remaining quite cool, maximum temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius, only 15 in the afternoon in Laingsburg, 16 in George and 17 in Plettenberg Bay. Partly cloudy skies in the Karoo with northwesterly winds later picking up, 21 in Graaff-Reinet. A cold morning at first over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, 0 in the morning in Aliwal North with light frost in places, later remaining cool, temperatures around 20 with 20 in Kuwa as well as East London. In KwaZulu-Natal, we are expecting foggy conditions at first around the northern coast and the adjacent interior. A cold morning over the interior, later temperatures in the mid-20s, 24 in Pietermaritzburg as well as Durban. A cold morning at first over the Highveld, just 1 in Stylerton, later cool to comfortable with 23 in eMalahleni, but hot in the Lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, 32 the afternoon in Skukuza, Phalaborwa as well as Hoedspruit. A cold morning at first in the Bushveld, later sunny skies and temperatures in the upper 20s, 29 in Lephalale and Balabala. In northwest, a cold morning at first over the southern part, only 1 in Potchefstroom, later temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, 27 in Vryburg and Klerksdorp, and becoming windy into the afternoon. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting foggy conditions over the southwestern areas where it will remain quite cool to cold this Wednesday, only 11 in the afternoon in Sutherland, becoming windy later over the northeastern areas, and warming up to a maximum of 27 in Uppington. In the Free State, light frost on Wednesday morning with minimum temperatures dropping below 0 degrees Celsius, later cool to comfortable with 23 in Bloemfontein. A lovely winter's day ahead for Gauteng after a cold morning in Vereniging and later reaching a high of 23, 24 the afternoon in Pretoria. On Thursday, we have the next two cold fronts arriving in the southwestern Cape, bringing scattered to widespread showers yet again to the southwestern part of the country. We know the ground's already saturated after the rain last week, so any amount of rain can lead to more flooding. Please be careful. But warming up ahead of the cold front in KwaZulu-Natal, maximum temperatures about 30, as well as over the eastern parts of the country. Then on Friday, we are expecting the cooler conditions to spread over the central part of the country. Cooler now in KwaZulu-Natal as well, Durban reaching a high of 22, remaining cold and wet in the Cape with 15 in the afternoon in Cape Town, but comfortable conditions in and around Gauteng the next few days. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Wednesday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go. And compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.